So if you've watched any of my other reviews that I've done on Ringke in the past, you'll know that I absolutely love their cases. They have some other really nice accessories on their website. They have something for pretty much everybody, and they're very affordable. Today we're going to be checking out Ringke's case lineup for the brand new Galaxy S24 Plus. And I guarantee by the end of this video, you'll know which one of these cases are right for you. And if you want to pick any of these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So first up, we're going to start off with the Ringke Onyx in Camo Black. And here is the case itself. It's got that really cool camo pattern with a type of texture-y back, which is really nice. It's made of a soft, flexible TPU. This case is also military-grade drop tested and should keep your phone safe from medium drops. And this case itself weighs about 36 grams. Put our phone inside the case. The Onyx case is really nice if you want to keep your phone pretty slim but still offers some pretty good protection. It does feel nice in the hand. It's got some texture on the sides here to help with grip. It's not slippery. The buttons, accessible, nice and clicky, easily pressable as well. If we turn it to the side, you can see how thin the phone still is. And we also have a raised edge around the front of the screen to help with the protection there as well. There is the texture I was talking about. We have our lanyard hole at the bottom corner here. We have our cutouts on the bottom. We have our power button and separated volume buttons on the other side. We also have some kind of reinforcement in the corners as well. On the back, again, it's got that really cool texture with the camo pattern. Looks really nice. And we also have a raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there too. This case also works perfectly fine for wireless charging as well. I've used the Onyx case in the past on some of my Galaxy devices, and it's one of my favorite Ringke cases. Like I mentioned before, it's nice and slim, but it still offers some protection for your phone. And they also offer the Onyx case in this green color as well. It has the same great properties with that nice texture on the back, but no camo pattern. Here we have Ringke's Fusion Bold case in black. And then here is the Fusion Bold case. It's kind of a mix between the Onyx and one of their clear cases. It's got a TPU on the sides and a hard polycarbonate back, but also shows off the color of your phone, which is really nice. Now before you use this case, you're going to want to remove these little tabs here, one in the inner portion and one on the back. And this case weighs 30 grams, so it's a little lighter than the regular Onyx case. So it fits the phone perfectly and feels just as good in the hand as the Onyx cases did. It's got our textured pattern on the side here. We have our lanyard hole at the bottom corner. As you can see, it still has the raised edge around the front of the case, and it doesn't really add a lot of extra bulk to the phone either. We have our cutouts on the bottom. We have our power button and volume buttons on the side. We also have another lanyard hole on the other side here. On the back, again, it's got that nice clear polycarbonate, shows off the color of your phone while still maintaining a very solid, rigid back for protection. And it's also got some raised edges to protect your cameras as well. Looks really nice. It does collect a little bit of fingerprints, but you can very easily just wipe those away. And it looks brand new. This case also works perfectly fine with regular wireless charging as well. So if you're looking for a case that's not totally clear, but has a nice clear back to show off the color of your phone while still giving you the nice black textured TPU material on the sides, the Bold case is definitely the way to go. This is one of their newer cases, and I think it's a really great option for people who don't, again, want a totally clear case. Buttons are also nice and clicky, easily pressable, and accessible. Again, this reminds me of the Onyx case, but you get to show off the color of your phone because why would you pick a color and cover it up with a case? This is a perfect solution for that. Here we have Ringke's Fusion X case in black. And here is the Fusion X case. This is definitely a little bit more protective case, but it still keeps your phone pretty slim. Again, you want to remove these plastic covers before you use your phone. They put this on here just to make sure that the polycarbonate stays scratch-free until it gets to you. And this case weighs 32 grams. This is another one of my top favorite cases by Ringke. It's got the nice clear back. It's also military grade drop tested. Put our phone inside. Goes on the phone really well, holds in place. It's got some nice grip to it. Buttons on the side are easily pressable. They're nice and textured so you can find them really easy. Nice and clicky. Definitely feels good in the hand. If we take a look from the side, you can see that it's got that same raised edge to help protect your screen. It's got more reinforcements in the corners for drop protection than some of the other cases that I just showed you. We also have the texture on the side for grip. We've got our lanyard hole in the bottom corner. We have our cutouts in the bottom. We have our power button, which is like serrated. It's got some texture to it so you can easily find it and press it. And we have our separated volume buttons that are kind of on an angle, as you can see here. It makes it a little easier to press. On the back again, it's got that nice clear back to show off the color of your phone. We also have a raised edge around our camera lenses to help protect with that. And we also have some extra protection in the corners for when you put your phone on its back. It won't rock around like some of the other phones will, and it gives some extra protection for the back and your camera lenses as well. So if you want a phone that's going to give you a little bit more protection for drops and scratches than some of the other ones, I would definitely go with the Fusion X. And as you can see, again, it keeps the phone pretty slim. This case also works well with wireless charging. And again, just like the other clear cases, this case does pick up a little bit of fingerprints, but you can easily just wipe those away. And again, it looks brand new. Definitely a huge fan of the Fusion X. Again, this is another one of the cases that I've used in the past on some of my Galaxy devices, and I absolutely love it. They actually have a camo version of this. Instead of the clear, it's got a camo pattern and it's kind of transparent. Looks really cool. That's the one that I personally like.